in this question, we are given a table and we have the recording time and the viewing time. Now we need to find out which among the given options is the correct range for the value of h. Now remember, it's given that the total recorded time as per the table, right? It's 4 and none, 2 and none. So that's 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6 hours. So that's something that we can infer from the table. So the total recorded time is 6 hours and the viewed time is, on Wednesday it's 1 to 2 hours and on Friday it is 2 to 3 hours. So the total is 1 plus 2, which is 3, and 2 plus 3, which is 5. So the total has to be between 3 to 5 hours, right? So this is something that you should infer from the given table, right? And remember, h is the number of hours for which Jane has not yet viewed the recorded program. Now over here, the recorded is 6 hours and the maximum she has viewed is 5 hours, right? So if it's 5 hours, then the difference between these two is 1 hour. That means h is equal to 1. Now if she has only viewed 3 hours, which is the minimum of viewed, the difference between these two is 3, right? So that means h has to be between 1 and 3, right? So h has to be in between 1 to 3, or we can say 1 less than equal to h less than equal to 3. Now let's look at what is being tested in this question. This question is a simple question. Once you can read the words and convert them and understand what is being asked and then convert them into an inequality, right? And again, it's a question based on range. So you have to read the condition given and identify the correct range. Now remember, if the maximum marks of an exam, for example, is 100, and let's say a student has solved 50 to 80 marks, right? So that's solved correctly. So what is the number of marks that the student can lose? That would be the difference. 100 minus 50 is the maximum the student can lose, that's 50. 100 minus 80 is the minimum that the student can lose, which is 20. So the range of marks that the student can lose would be 20 to 50 marks. So this is a simple case, right? It's a similar case that we have seen in this question. Now do subscribe to this channel to get notified when I release the next video, and check the description to know more about my other GMAT programs. All the best in your preparation.